Episode 4, The Agent Remembered. Today, the agent writes, same workflow, one more node, and Claude drafts a personalized cold email for every lead in your Slack, referencing their actual GitHub bio, matched against your last 5 wins, ready for you to approve in 15 seconds. Quick recap. Schedule fires. GitHub fetches. Notion checks if we've seen them. Claude classifies using past wins as context. Slack pings you. Notion writes the row. Memory layer locked. But here's where every AI agent channel quietly stops, because the next step is the hardest one. The gap. Slack tells you a lead is hot. You still spend 20 minutes researching them, reading their blog, opening their GitHub, drafting an email that doesn't sound like a template, second-guessing the subject line. 3 good leads a day, an hour of writing. That's not automation. That's a notification system with extra steps. Today's move. Right after Claude says yes, we add one more Anthropic node. Same prompt pattern. But instead of asking yes or no, we hand Claude 3 things: the prospect's bio, your last 5 wins, and the exact ask. Out comes a subject line, a body, and a signature. 40 cents per lead. 3 seconds. The trick is context. Every other AI email tool gives Claude generic personalization. First name, company, maybe a vague compliment. We do something else. We pass Claude the prospect's public blog post titles, their last 3 GitHub repos, their location. Claude has actual material to work with. Output reads like a human researched them. Plus the wins. We pull the last 5 emails you sent that closed deals, straight from your Notion. We pass those into the prompt as examples. Claude isn't generating in a vacuum. It's generating in your voice, matched against your pattern. Week 1, this sounds robotic. Week 6, it's hard to tell which emails you wrote and which Claude did. The output is structured JSON. Subject, body, signature, confidence score. Why confidence? Because some leads are easy to write to, clear bio, obvious need. Others are vague. Claude tells you which is which. We'll use that score in episode 6. For now, just collect it. In Slack, the lead message gets bigger. Name, company, reason, same as before. Plus the full email draft. Plus an approve button and an edit button. You read the draft on your phone over coffee. If it's good, you tap approve. If it needs tweaking, you tap edit and rewrite the line that feels off. The single most important rule: we do not autosend. A human approves every email. Always. This is not a limitation, it's the point. The day an AI agent sends a wrong email under your name, you lose trust with that prospect forever. Drafting is leverage. Approving is sovereignty. Don't trade one for the other. Your morning routine becomes 10 minutes. Coffee, open Slack, 3 drafts waiting. Read each in 20 seconds. Approve 2, edit 1. Tap send. The agent sends from your Gmail via the Slack action. By 9:15, 3 emails are out and you've moved on. Compare that to the hour you used to spend writing the same 3 emails. The reply rates. My own data, sample size 200. Generic template, 4% reply. Personalized human written, 12%. Claude drafted with full context plus your wins as examples, 14%. That last number is real. The model isn't writing better than you. It's writing as well, faster, never tired, never bored. Cost math. Each personalized draft costs about 3 cents in Claude tokens. 3 drafts a day is 9 cents. 20 business days is €1.80 a month. One paid client at €500 covers 270 years of API costs. The API price is rounding error. The behavior change is the product. Live test. Monday morning, scheduled trigger fires. GitHub returns 10 users. Memory check drops 6 already seen once. Claude classifies 4. Filter passes 2. For each, the email node generates a draft. Slack shows 2 complete proposals. I read both, edit 1 sentence in the first, approve the second untouched. 2 emails out in 3 minutes. That's the loop. The mental model. Think of the agent as a junior assistant who has read every email you ever sent. They draft. You approve. Drafting is the boring part. Pattern recognition on past wins, public bio research, structured prose. That's literally what large language models are best at. You keep the part that matters. Judgment. Relationship. The actual send. Workflow JSON in the description. Fork it, plug in your Claude key, run it tomorrow. Next Wednesday, episode 6. we tackle the confidence score Claude gives us. Specifically, when the score drops below 60%, the agent has stopped knowing what it's doing. We catch that and route it differently. Subscribe if you want the build the day it ships. Workflow Lab. New agent every Monday and Wednesday from now on.